Hi Micafam, Myra here. For today's video, sasagutin natin yung tanong ni Paul Marie and sabi niya dito, "Hi ma'am, very detailed po explanation nyo kaya naintindihan ko na. Thank you. Kaya lang ask ko po ma'am, just in case mawala ang cellphone, how to retrieve po ang GINVEST? Thanks for your reply." So anyway, sasagutin natin yan sa video na to, so make sure to watch till the end, okay? If you're interested, please keep on watching. Pero bago tayo magsimula, if hindi nyo pa napapanood yung GINVEST video ko, how to get started, how to buy, how to sell, and everything na dapat mong malaman about GINVEST will be in the description box below. Check it out, okay? And also, kung gusto nyo malaman yung 1-month update nitong 4 na new investment products dito sa GINVEST, yung 2 local funds and 2 global funds, check nyo na lang din po yung description box below. Gusto ko pong palitan yung mobile number registered sa GINVEST dahil yung SIM ko po ay hindi ko na magamit. It's deactivated. Anong gagawin ko? Micafam, kapag nawala yung mobile number mo or yung SIM card mo ay hindi na po magamit, then pwede ka pong mag-request to change your mobile number registered to GINVEST. Paano nga ba mag-request? Of course, you need to contact customer service ni GCash. There are 3 ways po to do that. Number 1, pwede kang tumawag sa 2882 via Globe or TM number. This is free po. And pwede kang mag-email via support@gcash.com. And pangatlo, pwede kang mag-submit ng ticket. Paano nga ba? So punta ka lang sa GCash and then sa login page, punta ka sa Help Center. And then, scroll down ka lang sa pinakababa, makikita mo yung submit a new ticket. So, tap mo lang yan. And provide mo lang yung info na kailangan. Just like your email address, GCash registered full name, yung GCash registered mobile number, ito yung old po na GCash number po ninyo, okay? And then, dito sa concern category, piliin mo lang invest money, right? Then, piliin mo dito yung reason. For example, I have other concerns for invest money. Then explain mo lang dito, for example, request to change mobile number registered to GINVEST. Alright? And then tap mo lang yung submit. But guys, please make sure ha na provide po natin following requirements kapag magko-contact tayo customer service to request for a mobile number change. Ano nga ba yung mga requirements na kailangan? Number 1, kailangan po yung old account number po ninyo kasi itatrack po nila yung last transaction date. Number 2 na dapat mong i-provide will be your new GCash number. Wait, Ate Myra, ibig bang sabihin kailangan ko mag-create ng panibagong GCash account? Yes, definitely. Mag-create ka ng panibagong GCash account with a different number, of course. And kailangan same lang po yung user info po ninyo with your old GCash account. For example, the name, email, and pangatlo, kailangan fully verified po yung inyong bagong GCash account. Guys ha, if you want a step-by-step video tutorial how to get fully verified sa ating GCash account, meron akong video na ililink down below. Make sure to check it out, okay? So guys, kailangan fully verified yung inyong bagong GCash number with the same verified user info as your old account number. Very important, kailangan itong bagong GCash number mo must not be registered to GINVEST. Okay? Guys, please take note na yung GCash accounts na ipoprovide po natin for the mobile number change request will be temporarily blocked from GINVEST as part po of the account transfer process. Yung process will take approximately 1 week. If you can still access your old GCash account, guys, sinasuggest ni GCash na you redeem na lang instead your investment balance. Hindi naman po ito makakaapekto sa earnings ninyo in any way. So guys, that's it. If you want to change your mobile number registered to GINVEST, contact mo lang si customer service ni GCash via 2882 support@gcash.com or via submitting a ticket dun sa kanilang GCash app. And provide mo lang yung old account number mo and your new GCash number. And please take note na yung process na to will take approximately 1 week. Okay? So guys, sana nakatulong kahit paano itong video na ito sa inyo. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. And guys, if you reach this part of the video, please comment ka sa baba ng hashtag gusto ko yan for you to get a chance to win 50 pesos. Secret lang natin to ha. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Stay safe. Bye for now.